Hello everyone and welcome. So today I want to see how we can design this Mitsubishi logo, and you can download the logo as PNG from this website. I will leave the link in the description. And it's simple, as you can see. This is history, and this is the old logo, but we'll design the latest logo, which you can find it here. This is the 3D version or the realistic version, and later we can design the Suzuki and so on, and Mazda and so on. So let's download this one and save as image. Alright, firstly we will load the reference. So let's add here an background image and add this one. It's simple, of course. As usual, let's say we have the total length of 20 centimeter, so we can add here a plane, rotate around x 90 degrees, and scale point 5 and scale point 2. So we have it 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. You can of course go here and make 8 centimeter, so we have 20 by 20. And after that, let's scale and move it to be here. And I think we don't need the plane now, so we can move to the trash can. Alright, I prefer to be organized. I will start in the design. We have we have 3 cubes, or we can put the cursor here and add a plane, rotate around x 90 degrees, and merge at the center, and extrude in the Z to be here, and the scale extrude on the X, and the scale point 1, and the scale point 1, and after that select all and merge or mirror around the X, such as this. Maybe move it to be here. After that, we can extrude maybe minus 0.5, which is 5 millimeter. I think it's not too much. So let's move another 0.5, so we have thickness of 1 centimeter. You can make sure of that. So after that, let's select, we can disable that and delete this face. How many vertices we have? 4, that's fine. And we can convert that and selecting all of that, selecting all of these edges, and press Ctrl B. And maybe scale on the Y. This is the first, and the second we can add here, and we will 3D print that. So let's add a plane and rotate around x 90 degrees, and the scale to be here. Selecting that to this area and move it to be here, and move in this X direction, and after that add an extrusion to be -1, and add bevel. It's adding bevel to all, so let's make it weight, and just press here mean bevel weight to be 1, and maybe here to be 5, and maybe 1. Apply the scale. One too much, maybe 0.3 or 0.4. 0.4. This is the first, and we can add mirror generate mirror to this based on that, and it's fine. And now we can add here boolean union based on that, so we have all one unit. Let's make it shade smooth, and of course also this one can be shade auto smooth, and this is a logo, and this is etc. maybe moving to here. Now this one is ready for 3D printing, so let's first see how we can export that for 3D printing. For exporting for 3D printing, it doesn't matter the material and so on, so let's export as STL. Let's say Mitsubishi and selection only 1000. Why selection only? Because we have a lot of items and we don't want to export the plane and so on. We only want to select this logo which we are selecting now, and exporting selection only, and scale to be 1000. It's very important to make the scale to be 1000, and after that export STL. This is fine. Now what about the rendering? I can add a bend from this collection, the camera. The camera have a plane and have some lights, but we can add a plane because the plane doesn't come with the camera, so camera can be green, and this may be gray. Let's see, we have here 180, and alright, for the materials for the logo itself, we can use metallic and roughness 0.25 and a little bit of here, but this is good, but I have the purchased the Sense add-on. You can use pre-made materials. It's realistic and procedural, and I think the silver can be added here, and selecting all. Also the trash we can selecting for this one also silver. For the scale, alright, now we will decrease the scale maybe 0.05, and let's zoom out, and let's see, and the roughness maybe 0.1, and change silver pure, change the bump be 0.1, and the scale may be 11. This is 0.5, 0.01, roughness 0.1, and scale maybe scale 0, and the scale maybe 22, and 50, 100, okay. We can leave at this one, and if you want to add HDRI you can use environment, and Now we can render this, of course square dimensions, and we have here the square. Maybe this I think this is an Instagram dimensions. If you want to make it full, of course, let's save this render first. Render. If you want to make it full HD, such as this, and I think it's better to make it dark. And for the camera, the area maybe 100, and this maybe 25. And for this one, it can be 0.4, and let's render. So this is the tutorial for making Mitsubishi logo inside Blender. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to master 3D product design, I will leave the link for my paid course in the description, and of course I will leave the link for downloading this logo on Gumroad. Thanks.